I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Today's class, we will see non-homogeneous differential equation of type 2. Right. So, in this non-homogeneous, already in the last class we have done non-homogeneous differential equation of type 1. In today's class, non-homogeneous DE of type 2. So in this, what we will say in the non-homogeneous DE of type 2 means if f of d into y equal to pi of x, if the given equation should be like this, where pi of x equal to, where pi of x is nothing but sine ax or cos ax, where pi of x is sine ax or cos ax is there means we will take that is type 2. We will consider that one as nothing but type 2 problems we will consider. Pi of x equal to sine ax or cos ax is there means that one we will consider as type 2 problems. Now, in this, what is the procedure we have to follow? Right. First, I will follow that procedure. Procedure is nothing but first step. First step is nothing but find CF. So we have to find CF, complementary function you have to find. Second one should be find CF. Second one is we'll write yp equal to pi of x is nothing but sine ax divided by f of d square. I'll write. Why I'll write d square? I'll tell. Or cos ax divided by f of d square. I'll write. In next step, we'll replace d square by minus a square. If we'll replace d square by minus a square, in the place of d square, we'll replace d square by minus a square. Then, after replacing, you will get that y of p only. After replacing, yp will become sine ax divided by d plus or minus a, or cos ax divided by d plus or minus a. You will get sine ax divided by d plus or minus a form, or cos ax divided by d plus or minus a form. Whenever if you will get d plus a or d minus a in the denominator, we should rationalize. In next step, we should, equation 5, we rationalize the denominator. We rationalize the denominator. So if you rationalize the denominator, you will get in the form of, again, what is that? Either d plus a is that means with d minus a will rationalize, or d minus a is that means with d plus a will rationalize. With numerator and denominator you will rationalize. The time you will get denominator again in the form of d square by d square minus a square, or d square plus a square you will get. Once again you will replace. Again, after rationalization, we replace d square by minus a square. Again, you will replace d square by minus a square. We replace d square by minus a square. Now, we'll get the required solution. Sometimes, what will happen while replacing if denominator comes 0? In the type 1 procedure I told, what is that if denominator becomes 0 means in type 1 procedure I told, put x in the numerator and differentiate the denominator. I told the procedure. That same procedure we have to follow. When now the denominator comes 0, put x in the numerator and differentiate the denominator. Right. If only next one should be y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc plus yp. Note, first step, if here sine ax cos ax I told, sine square ax is there means I'll write that one minus cos 2ax divided by 2. What that 1 is nothing but e power 0x minus cos 2ax divided by 2. I'll write this is sine square ax. Next one should be cos square ax is there means you will write 1 plus cos 2ax divided by 2 equal to, whenever constant comes, I'll write this one should be e power 0x plus cos 2ax divided by 2ax divided by 2, I'll write. E power 0x is type 1, cos 2ax is nothing but type 2. For example, I'll get sometimes sin ax or sin x into cos y. So, or cos x into sin y. Sin x into cos y, if I'll get means 1 by 2 into sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y, I will write. So, this is the formula. Similarly, cos x into cos y will comes means 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y, 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y will write. Suppose sin x into sin y comes means we will write this one 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into cos of x minus y minus cos of x plus y, I will write minus cos of x plus y. So in this way, we will express other than sin square ax, cos square ax, whatever the terms will come, other than this, we will use this format and we will simplify the problems. Now, I'll solve the problems using this method. Right, first problem, solve first problem. Solve first question in this type 2. Solve d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to sin 2x. D square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to sin 2x. Now, solution. Solution for this. Given equation should be given. Equation is d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to sin 2x. Now, CF of the form d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Now, if I'll simplify this using the formula a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 2, I'll get, so m equal to minus b, so that is minus of minus means minus b, plus or minus root of minus b square means minus 3 square, minus 4 into a into 2, a is nothing but 2, c is nothing but 2, divided by 2a is nothing but 2 into 1. Now you will write 3 plus or minus 3 square should be 9 minus 8 divided by 2. You will get m equal to 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 should be root 1 divided by 2. Now you will get m equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 2, 3 minus 1 divided by 2. What is the 3 plus 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 4 by 2. So now I'll write m equal to 4 by 2 and m equal to 3 minus 1 should be 2 by 2. M equal to 2, m equal to 1. This is one value should be m equal to 2, another one should be m equal to 1. Now CF yc equal to c1 into e power 2x plus c2 into e power x. This is nothing but yc. c1 into e power 2x plus c2 into e power x. Now yp equal to, what that right? Yp is nothing but, we know that, how do you write? Sin 2x divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. This is yp. Of type 2, I told that whenever sin term, cos term will come, this is type 2. Here 2x, 2 coefficient should be, x coefficient should be 2. So I'll replace d square by minus, x coefficient should be a square is there. That's the way I'll write minus 2 square. It is not minus 2 whole square is not equal to minus 2 square. This is minus 2 square and we are putting minus symbol, then we are doing 2 square. Now I'll write yp equal to sine 2x divided by d square place I am putting minus 2 square minus 3d plus 2. What is that? Minus 2 square is minus 4. Next step I'll write sine 2x yp equal to sine 2x divided by minus 2 square should be minus 4 minus 3d plus 2. Now minus 4 plus 2 should be minus 2. We'll get, so yp equal to sine 2x divided by minus 3d minus 4 plus 2 should be minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 should be minus 2. Now I'll take, so yp equal to sine 2x. So I'll write minus of sine 2x divided by 3d plus 2. I'll write minus I took outside. So now while rationalizing, what I'll do, I'll multiply and divide by. So I'll multiply and divide by. Here I'm rationalizing this. 3d plus 2 is there. Here also minus 3d minus 2 was there. I took minus outside. I have written that minus outside here. Now I'm going to do here 3d plus 2 is there. 3d minus 2 divided by 3d minus 2. Now if you will multiply this, so we'll get yp equal to minus of sine 2x. What the d stands for? D is nothing but d by dx. Now minus 3 into d is nothing but d by dx of sine 2x minus, here already this minus I am keeping outside, minus 2 into sine 2x divided by 3d plus 2 into 3d minus 2. This is a plus b into a minus b is nothing but I can write 3d whole square minus 2 square. I'll write 3d whole square minus 2 square. In next step, yp equal to, why I am writing capital D, I am multiplying d into sine 2x means 3 into d by dx of sine 2x. Now we'll write minus of 3 into, what is the differentiation of sine 2x? Differentiation of sine 2x is nothing but 2 into cos 2x. Differentiation of sine 2x is 2 into cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x divided by, what is that? 3d square should be 9d square minus 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 square is nothing but 4. Here again I'll replace d square by minus 2 square I have to do. D square by minus 2 square. Now yp equal to minus of 3 into 2 is nothing but cos 2x. Why I am doing d square by minus 2 square means x coefficient is 2. So that's why d square by minus 2 square. 3 into 2 6 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x divided by 9 into d square value, see here, 9 into minus 2 square minus 4. Now I'll write yp equal to minus of 6 into cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x divided by 9 into minus 2 square is 9 into minus 4 is minus 36 minus 4 minus 36 minus 4 minus 36 minus 4 should be minus 40. So now yp equal to minus of 6 into cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x divided by minus 40. Now you'll write, so yp equal to minus 6 into cos 2x plus 2 into sin 2x divided by 40 we can write. Now we can write finally y equal to yc plus yp. What is that? Yc is nothing but, so we know that yc is nothing but, so yc c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power x, c1 e power 2x plus c2 into e power x minus 6 into cos 2x plus 2 into sin 2x divided by 40, which is the required solution for the given equation. In this way, we can solve the problems in the second type. Right. We'll see one more problem in the type 2 only. So we'll take type 2 d square, right, solve d square minus 4d plus 3 into y equal to sin 3x into cos 2x. Sin 3x into cos 2x. Now, how do you simplify this? Solution d square minus 4d plus 3 into y equal to sin 3x into cos 2x. Now, CF of the form, so we have to take d square minus 4d plus 3 into y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 3. M equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now m equal to minus b is nothing but minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of b square should be minus 4 square. Minus 4 into a is nothing but 1, c is nothing but 3 divided by 2a is nothing but 2 into 1. Now m equal to 4 plus or minus 16 minus 12 divided by 2. So you will get m equal to 4 plus or minus 16 minus 12 should be 4 divided by 2. So m equal to 4 plus or minus 2 divided by 2. I'll write 4 plus or minus 2 divided by 2. So m equal to 4 plus 2 divided by 2. M equal to 4 minus 2 divided by 2. M equal to 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. One root should be 3, another one root should be 1. Right. Now, if the different roots we are getting, how do you write CF means yc equal to c1 into e power 3x plus c2 into e power x, I'll write. This is yc. Next, I can write yp equal to, what the right hand side say, sin 3x into cos 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 3 is there. Whenever sin 3x into cos 2x is there means, whenever numerator is the product of two terms is there means, we should use the formula. What is that formula? You know that. So you have to use that formula and we have to simplify it. Sin x into cos y formula. What is that? Sin x into cos y is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Now sin 3x, this is nothing but sin 3x into cos 2x equal to 1 by 2 into 3x plus 2x is nothing but, sorry, we'll write this one sin 5x plus sin x. Sin x. Now we'll write sin 3x into cos 2x should be 1 by 2 into 3x plus 2x is 5x. 3x minus 2x is nothing but x. This is nothing but sin 5x plus sin x. Now we'll take, so yp equal to yp equal to, I'll write, so 1 by 2 into sine 5x divided by sine 5x divided by d square minus 4d plus 3 plus sine x divided by d square minus 4d plus 3. This is yp. Now I can take this one separately. One should be, I can take it as p1, another one should be, I can take it as p2, and I can simplify it. Yp equal to 1 by 2 into p1 plus p2. Now p1 is nothing but what is that p1? So first term should be sine 5x, separately I'll do sine 5x divided by d square minus 4d plus 3, and what that p2 is nothing but, I'll do this one also here only, sine x divided by d square minus 4d plus 3. Now first I can simplify this, then I'll go for that. P1 equal to, first here I'll replace d square by x coefficient should be, x coefficient is 5, so minus 5 square. Now sine 5x divided by d square is nothing but minus 5 square. D place I'll keep it as d only, I'll not replace anything, minus 4d plus 3. Now P1 equal to sine 5x divided by minus 4d. This is minus 5 square should be minus 25 plus 3 is nothing but minus 4d minus 22. 25 plus 3 should be minus 22. So P1 equal to minus of sine 5x divided by 4d plus 22. Now we should rationalize this. If we'll rationalize this, so we will get in the form of 4d plus 22. I'll write it as 4d minus 22 divided by 4d minus 22. Now we can write, so P1 equal to minus of 4 into d of, what the d means? We know that d by dx of sine 5x minus 22 into sine 5x divided by 4d plus 22. 4d minus 22 is nothing but 16. 4d is nothing but, so you can write a plus b into a minus b is nothing but, we can take this one as 16d square I can write here. This one should be, I'll take directly 4d whole square minus 22 square. What is the 22 square? We know that. So we can simplify this. So we can take this one. Now here I can read P1 equal to minus P1 equal to minus 4 into d by dx of, what is the d by dx of means differentiation of sine 5x is nothing but 4 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 5 into cos 5x minus 22 sine 5x divided by 4d whole square is nothing but 16d square minus 484 minus 484. Now we'll write P1 equal to minus of 4 into 5 should be 20 into cos 5x minus 22 into sine 5x divided by, here 16d square is there. We can replace 16d square by 16 into d square value should be minus 5 square minus 484. Y means here I am replacing d square by minus 5 square. X coefficient should be 5 is there, minus 5 square. 16 into 25. Next one we can write P1 equal to minus of 20 into cos 5x minus 22 into sine 5x divided by, we can write 16 into minus 25. 16 into minus 25, that is nothing but minus 400, minus 400, minus 484 you will get. Now P1 equal to minus, so minus 400 into minus 484 should be 884. So you will get plus 20 into cos 5x, plus 20 into cos 5x. Here also you will get, this is minus, and here minus, you will get minus minus get cancelled. Minus 22 into sine 5x divided by 884 you will get. Similarly, the same way I can simplify this P2 also. We'll do P2, sin x is there, divided by d square minus 4, d square minus 4d plus 3 is there. So that one I'll rationalize now, sir, not, I'll replace d square by minus a square. We'll replace d square by minus a square, I'll get, first I'll replace d square by minus 1 square. So P2 equal to sin x divided by d square should be minus 1 square minus 4d plus 3. Now I will write P2 equal to sin x divided by minus 4d, minus 1 square is minus 1 plus 3, that is 4d plus 2. Now we will rationalize this term. So if you will rationalize the term, so you will get in the form of minus 4d. So otherwise we will take one step I can write here, say one step extra I can write. Then afterwards I will do the rationalization. P2 equal to sin x divided by minus, I am taking outside, I will get 4d minus 2. If I will take minus outside, 4d minus 2. If I will rationalize that, so I will get in the form of, if I will rationalize that, 4d plus 2 divided by 4d plus 2. Now you will get equal to of 4 into d by dx of sin x plus 2 into sin x divided by whole divided by this is P2 I am taking here, whole divided by 4d whole square minus 2 square. Now you will write P2 equal to minus of 4 into differentiation of sin x should be cos x plus 2 sin x divided by 16d square minus 4. I'll replace d square by a square is nothing but minus 1 square. Now we'll get P2 equal to minus of 4 into cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x divided by 16 d square. D square place should be minus 1 square is there. So I'll get that one should be minus 16 minus 4. Now P2 equal to, you'll get 4 into cos 2x. This minus into minus should be minus 20. You'll get this is plus 20 plus 2 sin 2x divided by 16 plus 4 should be 20. This is P2. Now I'll write, so Yp equal to 1 by 2 into P1 plus P2. So in this equation, I'm substituting P1 plus P2. What is P1 is nothing but, we know that P1 is nothing but 20 into cos 5x, minus 22 sin 5x divided by 884 plus P2 is nothing but 4 into cos 2x plus 2 into sin 2x divided by 20. This is Yp. Now, finally, I'm going to write, so y equal to yc plus yp, y equal to yc plus yp y equal to yc. What is yc here? You know that. So yc is nothing but c1 e power 3x plus c2 e power x. c1 e power 3x plus c2 into e power x plus, I'll write here, plus yp is nothing but 1 by 2 into, if you want you can multiply this one inside, will multiply inside 20 cos 5x will become as 10 cos 5x, 10 cos 5x, 10 cos 5x minus 11 sin 5x divided by 884 minus 11 sin 5x divided by 884. Next one should be, we'll divide this 2 cos 2x plus sin 2x divided by 20. 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x plus sin 2x divided by 20 plus sin 2x divided by 20. This is y equal to yc plus yp.